Welcome to my shop. My name is Steve. In this video I'm going to show you what I believe to be an improvement on the push block. This push block is made out of a scrap of 2x4. I put a V-notch in the bottom and a stop on the back. This stop is a domino, but you can use whatever you want. But I think this is a good improvement and will make things safer on both the joiner and the router table. So let's get to the build. Tilting spindle shaper. I've got a rebate or a rabbit cutter in it, and that's the way I'm going to do this. If you don't have a tilting spindle shaper or a shaper at all, you can use a router table with a V-grooving bit. And the objective is to just mill a V-notch in this. Or you could use a table saw to cut that V-notch.
Yep, you can.
And I'm going to use a power feeder to run this through. Okay, so let's give them a try. and that's square, and I think it's much safer than the method I was using before, which was just feeding it through by hand, because sometimes this wood gets kind of slick. So anyway, that's my improved push block assembly. So let me know what you think. Give it a try. It's inexpensive. If you don't have a domino, you could screw a stop on the back of the V-notch or glue it. Use a regular floating tenon or some method. I've even considered lining the V-notch groove with sandpaper just to get a good grip. So let me know what you think. Give it a try. And just an improved shop safety feature. So thanks for watching. We'll see you on the next one.